The world is full of garbage, and almost everyone contributes to it. Inevitable, it seems. Producing orthotics is no different story. Only 20% of a block of material can be found in the final product. The remaining 80%? That goes to a landfill without any hesitation. At Feature Insoles, we believe that has to change. That's why we started developing a sustainable production method more than 5 years ago. With 3D printing, only the necessary material gets used. The rest stays on the roll as raw material. When these products wear out, they can simply and easily be recycled and used for a brand new pair. So in a few years, we can exclusively use recycled plastic. Printed orthotics also excel at being orthotics. They can support feet while being only 1/10 of an inch thick. That means that you can fit them in more shoes than their milled counterparts. The variety in shore is also excellent. Where milled orthotics have their shore decided by the material itself, the printed ones work differently. While designing, you can choose the shore locally. That means you can choose which elements or areas are softer or harder than others. So, a printed orthotic simply offers more flexibility to you as a podiatrist, but also to clients, who can wear them in more shoes. And last but very certainly not least, they are completely renewable. If you would like more information about our 3D printer, go to featureinsoles.com. You can also reach us by emailing to contact@featureinsoles.com. The future of insoles lies with Feature Insoles technology.